Hi friends, welcome to Gotham Brothers the Unschoolers. So today I'm making the Chrome Dino game in Scratch under 5 minutes. So let's begin. Reset and go. First I'll just change the sprite, the dinosaur sprite. Get rid of sprite 1. Yes, I do. Now I'll just paint a sprite for the cactus. Nice. Now over the branches here, the tree, like the branches again. Good. Nice. Now when green flag clicked, go to X 275, Y -120. Next, glide to -275, 120. Pick random 0.8 to 1.2 forever, and we have our cactus 50. Good. Now here in the dino 50, go to 100, -100. Nice. Now when green flag clicked, okay, make variable, let's rename this velocity, change velocity by -6, and change y by velocity forever. Now I'll just do a repeat until 2 minutes 44. Now if y position -120, go, what am I doing? No. Set y to -120, 2 minutes 19. If spacebar key is pressed and y position is equal to -120, just to check if we're on the ground because you don't want to jump in the air, then we set the velocity to 45, 1 minute 51. Okay, now let's move this just a bit down, a bit more. Nice, it's on the same level. Now I'll name this to cactus with the cac in it, cactus and dino. So repeat until touching the cactus. This here also repeat until touching the dino. Does it work? Yeah, I can't jump anymore. Nice. Now for some reason the cactus isn't working, but forget about it. The score, change score by 1, set score to 0. Now control, stop all, and jump. Okay, can I add a high score? Yes, high. If high is greater than if score is greater than high, set high to score. Done. So here we have it. The Chrome Dino game in 5 minutes. Jump, jump. Okay, here my high is 127. I'll die. Okay, the high doesn't change. Great. We have a high score and a score. Perfect. So hope you like the video. See you next time. Bye.